Whether it's a 2019 C300 Coupe, Cabriolet, or sedan, one of the most noticeable differences is the steering wheel. Right off the bat, you'll notice underneath your thumb, the left control button operates the illustrated menu display in the instrument cluster. You can customize vehicle settings, call up trip data, activate driving assist, and scroll through displays to show the info that you use the most. From audio to navigation, cruise control buttons are also on the left spoke as well. Scroll, swipe, or select, the right control touch button will operate the 10.2-inch screen you see here above. Intuitive menus make it easy to enjoy the abundant audio options, along with the standard command navigation and countless comfort settings, from seating to climate to 64 LED ambient lighting choices. Touch or no touch, additional multifunction controls let you adjust or mute the audio volume, use the hands-free Bluetooth system, or access a programmable one-button favorite. You can access and adjust a variety of these features with voice commands as well. The system can even learn your natural way of speaking the more you talk to it. I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of the 2019 C300 steering wheel. For any more questions or concerns, please visit our website at fieldsauto.com or come in and see us at Mercedes-Benz of Jacksonville.